Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Ford Ranger headlights. First, park your truck on a level surface, approximately 25 feet away from a flat wall. This distance is crucial for accurate beam alignment. Next, make sure your headlights are off. You'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape to complete this task effectively. Having these tools ready will make the process smooth and straightforward. Now, let's prepare for the adjustment. Measure the distance from the ground to the center of your headlight lens. Transfer this exact measurement to the wall, marking it clearly with tape. This initial mark serves as your reference point. Next, open your hood and locate the headlight adjustment screws. These are typically found near the headlight assembly, often accessible with a Phillips head screwdriver. With your reference marks in place, it's time to adjust the beams. For the driver's side headlight, aim the top of the beam 4 inches below your initial mark on the wall. For the passenger's side, aim it 2 inches below the mark. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to turn the adjustment screws. Turning clockwise generally raises the beam, while counterclockwise lowers it. Make small adjustments and recheck your aim. After adjusting, double-check that both headlight beams are properly aligned according to your marks. Take your Ford Ranger for a test drive on a dark road to ensure optimal visibility and safety. Proper headlight alignment significantly improves night driving. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space clean effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.